How to sign out from your YouTube account in Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open YouTube application. Once you do, at the bottom right corner, click on You. Then after, click on Switch Account. After that, you will see all the other accounts that has been logged in your YouTube. If you want to add a new account, click on plus icon at the top right corner. Provide the password of your mobile to verify your identification. Now you have been successfully signed out from your YouTube account and directed to the login page. Simply provide your email and password to log in into another account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.